Types of building stone. Random rubble and water-shot stone. Early buildings made of stone were constructed using either a random rubble or water-shot method. The random rubble method used stone that was put together without any attempt to create regular-shaped blocks or courses, and tended to use whatever stone there was around. Water-shot stone is a way of building using shaped stones that were set at an angle in such a way that they let water drain away from the surface of the wall. This method of building became rare after 1840 because of the time it took to dress the stone and then build with it, as each stone block had to be accurately cut in the quarry. Pitch-face stone. Soon more and more stone was needed to build the mills and terraced houses for the workers, and as building techniques progressed, tougher stone or rock was demanded, and new quarrying techniques had to be developed. This meant finding a tougher rock, which could be easily worked with new tools to create what was known as rock-faced or pitch building blocks in great numbers. Instead of building with random stone, or carefully cutting even blocks, the quarrymen used a type of rock peculiar to Rossendale known as lonky beds. Why this was called lonky isn't known, but this fine-grained sandstone was quarried around Haslingden Grain and the southern moorland of Rossendale. The chunks of sandstone were then dressed by the quarry masons, who produced what was called pitch-face stone. In other words, the stone was finished with a smooth surface on only 4 sides instead of the usual 6. That made the whole process of producing stone much quicker and cheaper. Pitch-face blocks had little slopes or pitches cut round the edges of the blocks. Quarrymen used a special chisel known as a pitcher to achieve this effect. Ashlar stone. There was also an increasing demand for very high-quality stone known as ashlar. This high-quality stone was used on the front of important buildings such as banks, town halls and churches. The stone was clear of imperfections and made to fit like a glove, like the one in the photo on the corner of a former bank building. Other uses of stone. Although much of the stone quarried in and around Rossendale was used in building mills and terraced houses in the growing towns, it was also used for other things as well, including public works such as reservoirs and railway bridges. The introduction of machines to prepare the stone allowed new products to be made, such as flagstones. Machine-finished flagstones were used on pavements and are easily recognised by the lines on their surface, like this one we spotted in Blackburn. Another big use of quarried sandstone was surfacing the streets, using what are known as sets, hard sandstone blocks set close together forming a well-drained, hard-wearing surface, characteristic of many Lancashire streets. Many people call them cobbles, but they're not cobbles. Cobbles are round in shape. Sandstone slabs were also used to form field walls and distinctive field boundaries in and around Rossendale.